Hi there, welcome to Ben's Voice Narrative. This session is about correctly pronouncing words. And the word we want to look at today is one that, for obvious reasons, you don't want to be used alongside your name or alongside your character as a human. What is this word? Let's find out. The word in question is spelled as TOXICITY. This is the word. Of course, the word is ending in ty, therefore, it is a noun. This word is a noun. So, what does this word mean, first of all? This word is a noun that refers to the degree at which, or the degree to which something, a substance, or a person, or a behavior can or may be poisonous or may be harmful to another human, to an animal, or to the environment. So this word is the degree, again, is the degree to which something can be harmful, can be hazardous, can be poisonous to the environment, to a person, to animals. That is what this word means. So let's move on to the pronunciation of the word. How do you pronounce this word? Most of the time, or do I say many times, I've heard people pronounce this word as toxicity, toxicity. Some people say Z here, toxicity, toxicity. Some pronounce Z in this place, as in Z, right? This is a wrong way of pronouncing this word. This word is not tog, it's not pronounced as toxicity. Rather, instead of having the g sound here, what we have is the k sound. Therefore, the right way to pronounce this word is as toxicity. Toxicity. And the stress is here. Toxicity. Toxicity. So how do we, now that we've learned the right way to pronounce this word, let's use it in a sentence or two. Toxicity. One, we can say that researchers have tested the toxicity of that drug before approving it for humans. And two, we can say that that river, that beach, that river was closed down because of the toxicity of its polluted water. That water, that river was closed down because of the toxicity, not toxicity, not toxicity. Rather, that river was closed down completely because of the toxicity of its polluted water. That is that about this video. This word is pronounced as toxicity and not as toxicity. Thanks a lot for watching to this very end. I'm sure you've learned the right way to pronounce this word, as well as how to use it correctly in a sentence or in sentences. If you found this really useful or maybe impactful, do well to share it to as many people who may need it, particularly students and teachers of the English language. Thanks again for watching. Remember to keep speaking right and keep learning right. Bye for now.